Hi there, this is Marco speaking from iPhoneERP.com, and today I will show you the new version of Sales Client, version 3.3, and how easy it is to set it up to bring very beautiful invoices or other vouchers to your customer or clients. So for that I will start the Sales Client Pro. This is the first start. I have nothing done before, and the first is we have here some intro information, but we can skip this now. And you see no contacts, no catalogs, a clear basket, some reports information, and the first what you have to do is go to the options and go to the basics. In this we set up the path to web server. I have here a web server, and in this server I have some CSV files with customer information, with catalog information. I have also PDF documents and pictures of the item there. So for this demo I will change the path to an English environment. And I save this path, and the next thing what is to do is select the right currency. So for that I add an USD for US dollar and go to the edit page. Add a description, the indicator, the dollar sign, and also conversion rate. It's 0 because it's the main currency, and the display should be before the amount. And I select this as a main currency, and also the text designation should be that. So this is very important for the beginning. Also I skipped the intro screens, and I have here some import information. So I set up company informations as a CSV file on the web server, maybe also currencies, text metrics, voucher types, and so on and so on. Okay, so after that I have the possibility to import the information. For that we have here menu item actions, and here we can start a complete import. I press the OK button and get the information. And if I take a look here on the contacts, I see 3 new contacts here. And if I go to the catalogs, I have my bags with the information, dollar sign, a value, and this bag is in pieces here. So I get text information, VAT information, on stock information, and I can scroll here, go back, and I have the possibility to add the values that I will put to the basket, or I can go directly here inside and add the item to the basket. So the next step is to go from the basket and go maybe in the detail view of this item, and I can add some discounts as a percent or amount value. I can also here change back the quantity, and you see in this area I can get a summary information like the number of products, position discounts, VAT information, and so on and so on. So let us go back to the catalog and add another item. Okay, and you see in the basket now 2 items, and we have also here different VAT informations, like one is 7% and the other is 8%. So we get also this information here. And if you need more detailed information about the icon, then you can go to the More button, to the product details, and you see here line information for that item. We have here the quantity of 3, we have the purchase price and the purchase unit, and if we work with converter like 6 items in a box, then we had here also the factor, and that means that we have a purchase per pieces, and that is the sales price also there, and discount information, and that gives us the information about margin in percent and an amount. So you can see this for every line, and also as a summary information. And if you are finished to put items from the catalog to the basket, then the next step is to add maybe a new contact as a customer, or you can select from your list and say OK. And on the next step we see here some other option information, like it's voucher type standard, the voucher date, maybe we have a delivery date, and delivery terms, payment terms, maybe price groups, and we can also here select a voucher discount for percent. And you see here also in the summary that there's now a sum of position discounts and also a sum of voucher discounts, and that give us a total of 998.60. So we can here take a look to the margin and amount for the whole voucher. And on the next step we have a sign pad and also the possibility to create a preview. We have at the moment nothing defined here, so for that we have to go to the More button, change to the options. In the options and the constraints we have here in the general the voucher templates. So for that I go to the voucher templates, and we have nothing here. We create a new template, and I have add some templates on my web server where I've defined the file before, and so it is possible, if it has the same name like the file on my web server, that they can download it directly. So I have one, I have called it invoice. Invoice Pearl 2, and I go to the More and to the edit page, select the type print, so I will create a PDF document, go to the template, and now I have the possibility to import here a template from my web server, and I saved it and said OK. Go back to the options and have here some other point called print setup, and if I go to this print setup I can select the right voucher template or print template, and after that I go back to the basket and make the choice for a preview, and get here a very beautiful invoice preview with issue dates, due dates, and I have here the items, also the items text, the quantities, the price. Maybe if I work with discount information, I see the different text information, and then a line total. So with also the summary, the subtotals, the total, the amount due, and also here some payment details. Yeah, we can now print this or mail this with CSV information, or mail this as a PDF document, and also we can save this, and the basket is clear, and we can start to create another one. And for this I can start it directly from the contacts. So let's select a contact, scroll down, and we have here also an add button. We have the possibility to create another voucher types like invoices, offers, orders, and so on. But here we have only the standard. And I jump automatically to the catalog and can add the items to the basket. Maybe 3 lines. And after that I go to the basket, changed, and I have also here a preview. Let's see, also here 3 lines, and can also save this. After saves I can change to the reports. I have here my voucher history. I can use a filter or a grouping options, and also I have here the possibility to create some reports, but we have not defined it yet. So that was a short overview about the sales client. If you need more information, visit us on www.iphoneerp.com. Thanks for watching.